This is the Blue Sumatra, considered an island bird. Unique features: a comb that's somewhere between a pea comb and a rose comb. They will have black faces or black skin all around their face. They are also considered a long tail, not as long as a phoenix or Yokohama, but they do get a nice tail. Unique feature with the Sumatra: all roosters develop a spur. The Sumatra will develop 90% of the time 2 spurs that will come out right about here. So that's a unique or a different feature that you'll find with the Sumatra breed. Now, our Blue Sumatra is not a self-blue bloodline, so your blues will throw a blue like this. You will find the splash, and you will also have some that come out dark blue. If you are going to compete in showing your birds, you would want to keep this color of your breeding stock to show. However, you can breed all these because they're going to breed about a third blue, a third splash, and a third dark blue, regardless of how you breed them between each other. The only exception would be if you breed the splash with splash, you're going to come out with too many splash and lighten the color in the blue. If you'd like to produce all blue chicks like this out of your young stock, you could take a male of the splash and breed it over black or the dark blue hens, and they will produce almost 100% blues. But again, you can take those blues and they're still going to produce your dark blues and your splash.